In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Flow app to pregnancy. This process is straightforward and will help you make the most of the Flow app during this special time. So let's get started. First, launch the Flow app on your mobile device. You will see the familiar interface, which is user-friendly and designed for easy navigation. The app will load your current cycle information, displaying your calendar and tracking insights. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. By ensuring that the app is open and functional, you allow yourself to access the features needed to switch to pregnancy tracking smoothly. Once the app is fully loaded, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap your avatar or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents your personal profile and is the gateway to various settings and options within the app. When you tap on this icon, a menu will appear showcasing several options related to your account and experiences. This step is important because it allows you to customize your Flow experience to fit your current needs. You will feel a sense of control over your app as you navigate through these options. From there, under your Flow experience, select the option to track pregnancy. This selection is pivotal as it signals the app to transition from menstrual tracking to pregnancy monitoring. You will notice a change in the layout and options available to you. By choosing this option, you are telling Flow that you want to focus on pregnancy-related insights, which can be incredibly helpful as you embark on this journey. This step ensures that the app tailors its features to better serve your needs during your pregnancy. Now, click on the option labeled Log Pregnancy. This action will prompt the app to guide you through the necessary steps to input your pregnancy details. You will see a new screen with prompts for information regarding your pregnancy. Logging this information is essential as it allows the app to provide accurate tracking and personalized advice. You can expect to enter details such as your due date and any symptoms you may be experiencing. Completing this action is a significant move toward utilizing the app effectively during your pregnancy. After that, click on Activate. This step is crucial because it confirms your choice to switch to pregnancy tracking. When you tap this option, the app will officially begin monitoring your pregnancy status. You will see a confirmation message that reassures you that the transition has been successful. This activation is a key moment as it sets the foundation for the app to provide you with timely updates and resources tailored to your pregnancy. Next, select your pregnancy week and then click on Activate Pregnancy Mode. This step allows you to specify how far along you are in your pregnancy, which is vital for personalized tracking. As you choose your week, the app will adjust its content to reflect the specific stage of your pregnancy. This tailored approach ensures that you receive relevant tips and insights at every stage, enhancing your experience. Once you complete this step, you will be all set to fully engage with the Flow app's pregnancy features. Now you have successfully changed the Flow app to pregnancy mode. You can expect a wealth of information and insights tailored to your journey ahead. This transition opens the door to helpful tracking features, allowing you to monitor your health and well-being during this exciting time. Enjoy exploring the app's new capabilities. Thank you for following along.